Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials so you can act immediately. Gather the attendee CSV with first and last names plus role. Save as UTF-8 CSV so characters don't break. Once done, locate the official event ordering portal and log in with organizer credentials. This is the only way to get standardized name tags. Make sure you have the logo in 300 dpi PNG and the card template size ready, because the portal validates those files before you can progress. Next, you prepare the data and confirm exactly how it will appear. Clean the CSV, remove stray commas, trim whitespace, and limit names to about 50 characters so text fits. Then upload and map fields in the portal, map first plus last to the name slot, and roll to the subtitle so tags are readable at a glance. Once mapped, request 1 or 2 physical proofs. Inspecting a sample prevents bulk errors, and you'll catch font or color misalignment before full production. Finally, you complete the order and prepare for distribution. Confirm quantities, delivery date, and payment. Approve the final proof in the portal to trigger production. When the shipment arrives, inspect a random 5% sample for spelling and alignment, then store tags flat and protected. If something goes wrong, like swapped names or missing entries, act fast. Print emergency adhesive labels or use fine-tip permanent markers to correct individual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.